I'm about to attempt to build an airsoft base in this tree, kind of up there. I have me with some wood. I got some 2x4s to build kind of a frame, and then I've got some plywood that I'm going to try to build a base with. I've got a saw, which I'm not sure how I'm going to use yet, a hammer, and some nails. If you were to do this, you just need some scrap wood that you can find anywhere. My dad's a general contractor, so he's got wood all the time. But just whatever you can find, really. So let's see how I angle it so that you can see what I'm gonna do. I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna start by building stairs. Because I want the bottom to be about up. Oh yeah, you can see it. Okay, I want the bottom to be about up here. But in order to build up there, I'm going to need stairs. So I'm going to start by building some stairs. Level. Okay. And I'm going to do another one just for stability. Can you see that? I don't think you can see that. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, one stair down. You want to do them far apart that you're not using up all your wood, but not too far that when you're playing airsoft and you're carrying a gun, it's impossible to climb up. So I'll probably do 2 more, and then I'll start working on the frame up there, and then we'll build a platform on the frame, and then we can use some walls or something. I don't know. Okay, like so. Ready to be pounded in. Okay. I have now completed the base. If you can get 4 trees close enough, that's good. But I had 3 trees, so I had to build this support beam right here, this one. I'm using nails, but I had to do a few screws just to ensure that it was on there tight. And then up here, I've got 3 layers of wood. I've got the frame around the trees, and I've got like a base, and then I've got the actual platform. This then, come on, focus. There we go. How's that? Super sturdy. I got some nails. Just nails and a hammer. And I'm going to build the wall from this one to this tree, and I'll build it up just high enough that when I crouch down, I can stick my gun up over, but I can still get down low enough that the bullets aren't hitting me. I've got some old fence that my dad was taking from somebody's house, and I'm just taking the planks off right there, and I'm gonna cut them to fit right here, and just do a nail on each side, run it up on here, and then I'll do them over here too, and then I'm gonna use that piece of that plywood with the white stuff on it, and I'm just gonna leave it up here, and then when you get in the fort and you're playing airsoft, you just set it right here. I might do some like a little notch in the wood so that it sits in the wood, and I'll just put it there so it's like a door, pretty much. So let's see how this wall comes out.